Katie from MarineMax in Huntington, and today I'm going to walk you through the 2023 Sea Ray SPX 210 outboard model that we have here at the store. Starting at the transom of the boat, this model does come with a 200 Mercury engine, as well as sea decking on the swim platform. That's great for your feet on a hot day. Moving forward just a little bit, this is a sunpad in that dune interior color. If there's a lot of action happening on the back of the boat in the water, this seat will bolster up so that you have a little bit of a backrest while you're lounging there. Moving forward, the dune interior does come through with the rest of the boat. There is a beautiful L-shaped seating, great for entertaining and for keeping that family on board. This port side seat does come with a little cool feature. You could be forward facing or backwards facing, and once you're out on the water and you have a nice spot to lay down, this seat will fold all the way down into a nice little sun lounge. You do have your Simrad multifunction display screen, and your Fusion stereo controls are right over here. This model does come with an excellent speaker system, which is great for while you're out on the water and you're really listening to that music and you have that party going. Up at the front of the boat, it does come with wonderful bow seating, which does come with a bow filler cushion, which will really turn this seat out into a nice little sun pad to lay out all day. If you have any questions about this model or any of our models in stock, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Thanks for watching.